okanye unomfazi? Utshatile, sorry, utshatile okanye une-girlfriend? Unomfazi utshatile? Oh, okay, besifuna abantu abafana nawe because andiyaqonda uba uzokwazi usiphendula umbuzo wethu. Kahle kahle thina sifuna ukwazi ukuthi bhuti uyayazi indaba ye-wife allowance okanye girlfriend allowance?
Yho, ndidla ngoyiva laa mibuzo liyana lezo nto but ke andiyazi because mna siyashera like nowakwam.
Akho udimandayo kodwa?
Akho mntu odimanda, onayo uyamnika onayo amnika
so wena uyafana nathi awuyazi next ngale ndaba ye-allowance?
hayi ndiyayiva bencokola bafana
that's why sijikeleza because iye yasothusa kakhulu so that's why ke sifuna ukwazi hayibo kwenzeka ntoni
hayi bayayibiza but ke mna kweyam isituation umntu uyamnika umntu onayo umzekelo uba uyapeya nge-15 mna ndiyapeya nge-20
niyashera ingxaki zenu nobabini zidibene
akho mntu ophila i-isolation.
Ndiya-understand and kufuneka kanjalo sifuna kube njalo vele. Sifuna unceda abantu abakule situation yobhatala ama-allowance
by force kaba kunyanzelekile.
Sibanike i-advice ukuthi hayi guys you don't have to uyenze le nto uyabona.
Hayi sisibam hayi mna ndiye ndive beyithetha bafana bathi hayi kufuneka ukhuphe imali enga umnike imali entloko stuff. Hayi hayi ke awutsho kanjalo ndiyakuzwa so bathini la mamemba la akhoyo?
Hayi abafuna usiphendula.
Basivalele ngaphandle ke bhuti. Basivalele ngaphandle. Abafuna ubalitshi, sabalitshi thina.
Hayi bo.
Baye thina sesizabalitshi ngoku. Sekushota 5 to sibe litshi thina. Molo bhuti kunjani? Abantu banjani kanje? Konko. Sanibonani sisi kunjani? Oh, baba ke mlungu. Hey, ufuna usibetha ke lo bhuti lo. Sizoba litshi sikephe. Ufuna litshi?
Amabukela ke iyadlala.
Hayi yabona lona ukufana uvele wanibaleka izolo wanibaleka cha. Siqonda hayi athumsokolisa namhlanje because unibalekile. All over the face.
Yabona. Yonke ishow yonke izolo nayi. Nabanye abantu uzobona besibe interview izolo uzobona lapha. Wala bravo. Yonke nayi. Uzovela lo mjida lo abantu lo mfana lo wodrava umncane lo besimu interview khona uzovela naye. Okay. Girlfriend allowance.
Yes.
Allowance.
If you are
some girls are jobbing.
You are in a relationship.
Who are going out there who are actually getting 4 or 5 girl boyfriends. One boyfriend's cough out something like 1.5 per month. The other boyfriends cough out something like 2,000 per month. The other one. So it's like they're doing prostitution, but then they are doing it professionally. You understand?
Okay.
So that's what we're doing. So we're trying to go around and alert people about things like that. Okay. Yeah, there's this thing called girlfriend.
Money tracers.
Yes.
Money hunters.
Money hunters, exactly. Money hunters. Yeah.
So many men are struggling out there. They have to pay like 2,000 a month every month, as if they are paying a car or a house. So
Focus
there's
on
a
the
lot
camera.
going on.
Understand?
Luckily, I'm married.
Okay.
Better.
I'm happily married for 15 years now.
And your wife obviously doesn't give you a problem because you wouldn't be 15 years in a marriage if you had a problem.
Exactly.
Yeah, I don't get any problems with my wife.
Praise the Lord about that.
We are still loyal with each other.
Praise the Lord about that.
Yeah,
Only Jesus can do that. I know.
Exactly.
I know. 15 years.
And then for 15 years, I'm so so proud to have that lovely wife of mine.
Exactly.
Wow. Praise the
Exactly.
Lord. We want to hear this every day.
That's what
just
we want to hear
this.
from people.
Yeah.
Not people. You know, yesterday we met a lot of people that when we were doing interviews, a lot of
Yeah.
people complaining. They saying they gave up. They don't wanna fall in love anymore. They don't want to see women anymore.
Yeah.
They said to us that no, whenever they feel like they wanna go out, they just go out and buy and satisfy themselves, and afterward they go home. So I said like, but this is how you guys are living your life.
It's so sad, especially when you see an old man saying that.
It's painful.
Like,
Old man,
so sad.
74 years.
It's painful.
Yeah, it's good when we see old men who was married and happily married. Not still going out doing funny things, but you are old man. I believe.
Exactly.
Come on.
There is old man, 74.
74, and you are happy married. Wow, praise the Lord.
But you look young,
Yeah,
74
very
years,
happy for you.
baby. 74.
74.
1949.
Wow.
And he said, look young. Look, he looks
Yes.
74.
Kulu.
Yeah, it's God.
Older than him.
That's good. You can't even tell. 74. Do you drink?
No.
That's why. Do you smoke?
No.
That's why. That's why.
He's a Christian.
You see,
so
people
God
don't understand.
maintains
They
his
damage their
temple.
body because of this thing. You know, drinks and smoking and all those type of things. Look at him. You wouldn't even think 74 at this age.
When you love Jesus, Jesus maintains his temple because this is his temple. So he'll maintain it. He'll make sure that it looks good.
Exactly.
You don't have to work hard for it to look good.
Alle ou dem is verby. Alles het hier te kom.
I'm proud of you, 74. I'm proud of you, Baba. I'm telling you, keep it up.
Altyd op
Keep,
sy bed.
keep it up.
And he's still working.
Wow, wow.
74.
74. going
Still
strong
working.
And still going on.
Are you sure they didn't make a mistake in your ID?
Yeah,
Are you sure they didn't make any mistake?
can show you his license. I can show his ID, everything. Can show you the baseball license.
They didn't make a mistake about your ID?
I don't think so.
Are you serious? Huh?
1949 het is kom by die grond.
Praise the Lord.
My daughter. Let me see. Exactly. Keep it up. You're blessed. You know what?
Praise the Lord.
You know, appreciate the Lord. Appreciate the Lord. You are blessed, Baba. I'm telling you.
And continue to make your wife happy.
My wife is 70, 73.
72
Wow.
years old.
It's short now.
Keep her.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
happy.
I'm proud of them.
Trouwd 49. Married for
Wow.
49 years.
They are married for 49 years.
Wow, it's blessed. You are blessed, sir. It's a blessing for 49 years, guys.
Imagine.
See,
For
God can
49
bless
years. You see, guys,
people.
when you don't drink, you don't smoke, this is how you're going to look like. Some people, they are 30 years, but you look at them, they are old. It's like they are 70.
My
49 years married and still looking so good.
Exactly.
You can see that he's happy.
Eet pap. Met die ei.
Wow. Wow. Who is it? No, thank you so much, Baba. I really appreciate.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much.
Sir. We really
Okay.
appreciate your time.
All right, thank you so much.
Keep up the good work with your wife.
Nou, die story nou, wat maak jy?
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
we actually going around. We interviewing people about their lifestyle,
I think
how
he
they
has
live.
the channel.
Oh, the channel name is Dupes First Time TV. You can go to YouTube and search Dupes First Time TV. DUBS First Time TV on YouTube. You'll find it. All right. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Baba.
so much.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Hello, how are
Eh,
you?
ulebelele mo, baby. Ulebelele mo how we have interview because of
All about?
Job's first time, we are going around interviewing people. It depends. Sometimes we have different topics to talk about every day. But now we are focusing on girlfriend allowance.
Girlfriend allowance.
Yes.
Well, it's many that you like in South Africa. The laws change now. You can marry men can marry men too. It's crazy.
It's
And
crazy.
why do you have to get married then? What is the purpose of getting? What's the point of the law then?
Exactly.
For better or for worse? So then, what?
They do this girlfriend. You need to pay to be in a relationship. It's like you are paying.